In this video I'll show you how to replace the battery inside your Mitsubishi key fob if it's looking just like the one I have in my hands. So first thing, you'll need a flathead screwdriver, a small like the one I have, or you can take a knife, it can also do the job. You'll take your key and you'll notice right here there's a small slot where you need to insert your flathead screwdriver. And then when you're inside, twist. This way will open the case, and this is where this small module is. Now, same thing with this one. You'll find a small slot right here where you need to insert, you see, your flathead screwdriver again and pop it. Here we go. And this is where the battery is, facing down. So to remove it again with your screwdriver, really easily. This key fob takes a CR1620 3 volts battery, like this one. To put everything back, take your battery, make sure the positive side, the side with the plus, is facing downwards. And pop it inside, just like that. Take the other part. And this is really important, make sure everything clicks, so there's no water that can get inside. Once you're done, take back the casing of your key, and easy, just align everything. Whoops, as you can see, a small button flew away, so make sure everything is in place. Here we go, let's try again. Yours may not be broken like the one I have in my hands, so it'll be much easier. Here we go, and now we need to click everything back in place. Make sure everything clicks, and if the key works, well, the obvious little light will light up when you press any button. Thanks for watching, and please give us a like and subscribe if this video helped you.